Okay, so we have here geometric sequence and series. So to find the nth term of a geometric sequence, we use a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1 given the condition that r should not be equal to 0. Bakit? Kasi pag yung r natin ay equal sa 0 at ito number yan, any number multiplied to a 0 would be equal to 0. So walang mabubuong sequence kapag yung r natin ay equal to 0. Now, to find the series or the partial sum of sequences, there are two. We have the finite geometric series and the infinite geometric series. Alright, so, yung finite geometric series, gagamitin natin yan kapag yung r ay greater than 1. So, we have s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity r raised to n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So, pansinin natin to. Si n minus 1 exponent ni r. Yan yung pag hinahanap natin yung nth term. Pero kapag yung hinahanap natin ay yung series, yung exponent lang ni r ay n. Nakababa yung minus 1. Okay? And then, the infinite geometric series, we have s infinity is equal to a sub 1 all over 1 minus r. So, merong infinity symbol doon because we do not know the end of that sequence. So, gagamitin natin tong infinite geometric series kapag yung r natin ay less than 1. Okay? Example, find the nth term of the sequence 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. So, i-identify muna natin yung mga given at ang kailangan natin dyan ay a sub 1. A sub 1 is always the first number in the sequence and that is 5. Next na i-identify natin ay yung R, the common ratio. Yes, by the way, so kapag geometric sequence, ang hinahanap naman natin dito ay we are looking for the common ratio. Okay, so ratio ang hinahanap natin, kaya symbolized by R. So sa arithmetic sequence and series, ang nandoon naman ay common difference, kaya ang symbol natin doon ay letter D. So, kapag sa geometric sequence and series, we use R. Now, paano natin kukunin yung R? We take the second number. You have 10. And then divide that by the first number. What is 10 divided by 5? 2. Next, we have 20 divided by 10. 2. 40 divided by 20. Still 2. And then 80 divided by 40 would be 2. So, common ratio is 2. And then, n, of course, yan yung hinahanap natin. Gagamitin natin tong formula na to. So, isa-substitute lang natin sa a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Ano ang a sub n? Yung hinahanap. A sub 1, first number. That's a 5. And then, ang ratio is 2. Tapos, yung exponent niya, n minus 1. So, ito na yung nth term. So, take note, huwag kayong magkakamali na gagawin yung 5 times 2, 10 raised to n minus 1. So, mali po yan. Hindi natin i-multiply ito kasi magkaiba yung kanilang exponent. Ano ang exponent ni 5? Walang number doon, meaning that is 1. Ano yung exponent ni 2? N minus 1. We can also multiply these two if they have the common or the same exponent. So, since hindi sila magkapareho, hanggang dyan lang yan. So, that is the nth term of the sequence. Now, how about if we are going to find the sum of the first 9 terms of that sequence 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80? So, ang gagawin lang natin, gagamitin natin yung isa dito sa formula, which is either the finite or infinite. Tignan natin kung saan dyan yung gagamitin natin. So, first, we identify a sub 1, 5. Ang ratio natin na nakuha natin kanina ay 2. And then, ang hinahanap natin sum, so S, given na yung N. Ano yung N? We are looking for the ninth term. So, until the ninth term. Ano yung sum nito until the ninth term? So, R. Pansinin natin yung R. R is equal to 2. So, dito sa dalawang to, ang gagamitin natin ay yung finite geometric series because R is equal to 2. Gagamitin lang ito kapag yung R natin less than 1. We have here S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times R raised to n minus 1 all over R minus 1. Palitan lang natin n, gawin natin na 9. A sub 1 is 5. Yung R natin, 2. And then n is 9 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Ano ang 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, the equation would become 5 times 2 raised to 9 minus 1. Next step, S sub 9 is equal to 5. Ito muna tayo sa exponent, PEMDAS. Parenthesis, so ano ba yung nasa loob ng parenthesis? Meron pang exponent. So what is 2 raised to 9? That is not 2 times 9. That is 2 raised to 9. And we have there 512 minus 1. 512 minus 1 is equal to 511. We multiply that by 5. S sub 9 would be equal to 2,555. So that is the sum of the first 9 terms of the sequence 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. Now, how about if we're given the problem, find the nth term of the sequence 1/2, 1/6, 1/18, and 1/54, and so on. First, we identify our A sub 1. A sub 1 again is the first number, that is 1/2. Now, paano natin kukunin yung ratio? So, ganun din. We have 1 over 6 divided by 1/2. So, we have here 1 over 6 times, pagbalik na rin natin, kunin natin yung reciprocal, magiging 2. What is 1 times 2? 2 over 6. Ano ang 2 over 6? 1/3. So, ganun yung pagkuha natin ng common ratio, pero tignan natin kung common ba yan sa lahat. Next, we have 1 over 18 over 1 over 6. 1 over 18, ano ang reciprocal ng 1 over 6? 6 times 6. So, we have 6 over 18. We simplify this, that would be still 1/3. Kunin natin yung sa last. So, 1 over 54 over 1 over 18. So, 1 over 54 times reciprocal of 1 over 18 is 18. We have 18 divided by 54, still 1/3. So, the common ratio for this one is 1 over 3. So, we substitute it in the formula for finding the nth term. So, A sub n, A sub 1 is 1/2, the first number, times R is 1/3, raised to n minus 1. So, this is the formula in finding the nth term of that given sequence. A sub n is equal to 1/2 times 1/3 raised to n minus 1. So, what if we're going to find the sum of the sequence 1/2, 1/6, 1/18, 1/54, and so on? So, first step is we identify our A sub 1, 1/2, our ratio, or common ratio, which is 1/3. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung ratio natin ay 1/3, that is less than 1. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung infinite geometric series. Ang formula doon ay S infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus r. Kailan gagamitin ulit ito kapag yung r natin ay less than 1. We substitute, so we have s infinity is equal to a sub 1, so we have 1 half all over 1 minus 1 third. So sa pagsusulat, kailangan natin iayos na yung equal sign nakalinya siya doon sa fraction bar. So what is 1 half over 1 minus 1 third? So pwedeng isolve natin yan ng gamit ang calculator or manually, pwedeng 1 over 2. Gawin natin common yung kanilang denominator. Paano yun? We have 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Bakit? Ano ba ang 3 over 3? So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And then pareho na yung kanilang denominator. So we have 1 half over, what is 3? So pareho ang denominator. What is 3 minus 1? That is 2. So we have 1 half divided by 2 third. Next step there would be 1 half. Sulat natin yan, and then we're going to get the reciprocal of 2 thirds, magiging 3 over 2. And we change the operation to multiplication, and then multiply lang natin diretso. 1 times 3, 3. And then 2 times 2, 4. So the sum is 3/4 or equal to 0.75. So 0.75 or 3/4 is the sum of the sequence 1 half, 1/6, 1/18, and 1/54.